Mấy quay na ta Guikhanliu maning mai trong YouTube channel page trên rai nai la mai thuần riwing aside hide new matakhatna the Gaanphiu mail Tamenglong local newspaper highlights king in Sam Lakho. Infal July Tarikanai, Coordinating Committee for Manipur Integrity, COCOMI, Manipur, Khatni United Naga Council, UNC Manipur, Representative, Nunrui Governor Anusuya Yuki the Raj Bhavan Kau Asai Aryukanthe. Delegation tai COCOMI Coordinator, Thoksam Somorendru, UNC President, NG Lorho, Khatni by members Nunrui Zaina, National Registered of Citizens, NRC, Base 1951 Haizai Milungkau, Manipur State Kau Implement Sulau Kang, Memorandum Governor Kang Tikanthe. Manipur Kau Alan Mithia Kau, Illegal Immigrants, Goodba Mainunti Hai, Think Kang, NRC Hai Titat Lauto to not demand Sukan Tuange. Kapang Tang Ri Alan Mithia Kau, Manipur Goodba Mai Hairui, State Kau Demographic Imbalance, Azu Tipat Launa Bamti to not Sakane. COCOMI Kani UNC Team Terui, Governor Kau, NRC Haizai Milung Kau Implement Sulana, Illegal Immigrants Nunta, Scientific Methods Kauri, Pupat Lana Alat Metia Kau, Manipur Good Maita Think Kankage Naiti to not Sakane. Inbu na memorandum kautai nam nunta verify sumakna recognition sulaurap raba mai haini intha kangkage naiti to na hi kane. Manipur kau nam kasing kading thai makna inbu kuba mai haini jausin gut lana inchu mai lazan sulau kang ni sakane. Mida kau governor rui NRC implement sukang kage nai me step pang sinthau ka hau bamthi to na representative nun kautai salau kani tiki kagan asai inkhwalau kang zanghoi kane. Kumna Governor Terui, Manipur Kauba Mai, Mansai Goitung interest kau, Kazinai Mitan Hai Sintau Kahau Bamti to not Sakane. Infal July the Rikanai. Asylum that Kaiba Mai Parliament Session Kau Manipur Congress MP, Angomcha Bimol Akwaizam Ray Prime Minister Narendra Modi ta, Kazinai may lad bam sapat kang demand sukan may video, social media kau viral that kante. That kan may Lok Sabha election kau zau kau kan may inner Manipur MP, Angomcha Bimol Akwaizam Rui, Monday nung Parliamentary Session, Nian Megan Kau, Manipur Kau Kung May Aryuba May Lam Kau. Latan na sakan tuange. Dr. Bimol Relief Games Kau, Kung May Aryuba May Mansai Ching Riksruk, Di Haizau Kailau Kang Government Kau Zang Hoi Kane.
India was an anthropological subject, not a historical subject in the eyes of the colonial forces. And today, the Northeast remains outside of the history of the Indian history textbook. That is why you treat them as the other. And that's the silence. And the silence on the Manipur tragedy is not unique. It is a reflection of this general continuity of the colonial in the post-colonial. It is sad to see a nationalist party like the BJP will feel comfortable with this silence on the tragedy of Manipur. Keep your hands on your heart and think about the 60,000 people who are linguistic in relief camps. And those mothers, those widows, think of them. And then you talk about nationalism.
Point is made. He made
Only
his point.
then we will understand what this tragedy means. And Mr. Chairman, the hurt, the anger has thrown a nobody like me to be part of this temple of democracy. Beating the BJP cabinet minister, think about the pain. If you hear an anxiety, anguish, and pain in my voice, please go back and see those 60,000 people linguisting in the relief camp. Don't talk about partition remembrance till you win that. I would keep quiet the moment the Prime Minister opened his mouth and the Nationalist Party says that Manipur is part of India and we care for the people of that state. Only then I will accept what is nationalism in our face. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Dr. Bimol Rui Parliamentary Speech Kau Prime Minister Rui, Manipur Lam Kau Lat Sapat Ithai, Kamai Rai na Bampuni to not Sakane. Prime Minister Rui Manipur Hai India Lung Kawi, Kumna Manipur Kauba Mai Goita, India Maye to na Kadan Natan Tan Lawithai, Nationalism Hai to Buizu to my Kamai Nut Laupni to not Sakane. In our post-colonial era Kau, Manipur di Hai colonial mindset Kau, Zalo Bami to na Pianmak Mai Indau Kane. Manipur kau mansai ching riksruk inbu kanyu kai samak na lungba mi mansai phainai inbu panti tat kan the mi hai kiok mai tan ra mi tiki Prime Minister Rui in taw ngan na right ba mi tuna sakane President Rini katong joint address kau Manipur dong lam kau sa ka zaw kan magi tuna sakane Dr. Bimol Rui Manipur kau Central Armed Forces kasingai na thaulo bam sini mansai nun tong panti ka lawngam kan mak mai kau pian mak mai indaw kane Infal July 3 kanai Manipur dung dui ba goi kadai suna Infal kau luang ba mai nun Ting in thak mang na riukan meitang danger level ru kungam ba mailung khau Manipur government rui July tarik kathum lepadai khau school goi suti khang order tipat kan the L Nada Kumar Singh Director of Education School Manipur dong order khau suti tai government semi government private khani central government institution or school goi July tarik padai ngan suti khang ti thai kan nei mi tong la ding tai injam na khani oza nun duidai me khaurui siswai mai patma khang la kan chonge Order Kautai Department of Education School, Manipur Bang Kauba Mai Journal Education Officers, Kani District Inspectors of School, Independent Churches, Race School Authority Goi Kauti Thai Kadai Laukang, Ti Thai Kane. Manipur Kauting Zang Nai Tum Intak Magna Ryukan Meitang, Dui Tuak Bang Dui Dai Gai Kantonge. Tamenglong July Tarikanai, Internal Quality Assurance Cell, IQAC, Tamenglong College Rui, Legal Awareness Lam Khao Zang Nai Khatong Workshop that Kai Kante. Workshop Khao Tai Dola Nai July Tarikat Kum Sing Nai Nachu na Padai Kauri, Sinsu Kahau Kan My Criminal Laws Katum Lam Khao, Dilau Kane. Workshop Tai College Principal, Dr. Kintui Zinang, Marem Mai Rui Opening Remark Dilauna Kahau Kane. Workshop Khao Tai Intuk Mai Suna, Criminal Law Katum, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksa, Sanhita Khani Bharatiya, Sakshya Adhiniyam, Lamkau Resource Person David J. Kamai, Assistant Professor, Daida Lung Kamai, Assistant Professor Khani Ringsin Rai Gon Mai Kani Rui Dilau Kane, Mitwang Mung Tai Ke Em Pauhim Dai Liu KG Rui, Zailau Kantuange. Workshop Kautai Tamenglong College Tuang, IQAC Coordinator Rui Kamung Kau, Kazao Mikoita Tunku Mai Indau Kane, Workshop Kautai College Tuang Insam Nanun Katni Staff Nun Rui Kazao Kane. Tamenglong July Tarikanai, Tamenglong College Tuang Rai my semester in Samna Lu Pa Mai Janabif BA History Rui World Environment Day Kum Sing Nai Nachi na Padai Tuang UN Team Land Restoration Desertification and Drought Resilience Bangkau State Level Symposium Tamenglong College to represent Suna Kazak Lokante State Level Symposium Tai Directorate of Environment and Climate Change Government of Manipur Ri Langna Rai Mai July Kum Sing Nai Nachi na Padai Infal Kau Tat Kai Kan Tuange Symposium Kau Tai Lu Janabif Rui Team Kau Tilau Mai Latbam Kau Ri Katong Speech Tai Tilau Kane Kamai Ri Climate Change Rui Tamenglong District Khau Kalai Minai Ba Milam Khau Salo Kane Manipur Tong College Kani Institution Chui na Charuk Ri State Level Symposium Khau Tai Kazak Lo Kane Kumna Genevieve Ta Tamenglong College Tong Assistant Professor Makhau Gang Mai Department of Economics Kani Assistant Professor Ngamping Ngampau Gon Mai Department of History Kanai Ri Induak Talaw Kan Tuange Genevieve Tai June 3 Gru Kum Sing Nai na Chui na Padai Khau College Level Symposium Competition Kauri Select Sulauna Tamenglong College Ta State Level Khau Represent Sutat Kan Tuange New Delhi July 3 Kanai Asai July 3 Kanai Khau Prime Minister Narendra Modi Ri Lok Sabha Session Khau Speech Ti Khang Ding Thau Megan Opposition Members Koi Ri Manipur Crisis Hai Doilau Khang Slogan Kau Gai Kanthe North East State Manipur Kau Pat Bamai Situation Kau Government Ri Kadan Lau Magna Bamai Ti Hai Opposition Leaders Nun Ri Pen Mak Mai Indau Kan Chonge Prime Minister Narendra Modi reading thau pile Congress ri zai mai opposition leaders nun ri slogan tai kau ka hau kan chonge kumna opposition members nun tai rui Manipur latlu lam khau government ri lunggut lau khang khatni katum melung khau chu jang mai phungwang lau khang demand su kan chonge Lok Sabha speaker ri protest subam mai nun khau Prime Minister da chakwang sumai suna rai lau khang sang hoi kani tiki opposition members nun tai rui chu lau magna Kalduai na slogan dai kau lau kane tingkum khat hian na Manipur khau community kanai ka khau ri sukwang kan mai khau mansai phainai chui inbu thaitang kan tuang thi kumna mansai jingrik saruk inbu roi kaniu kai khalau na relief camp khau bamba me Infal July Tarikanai, Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Rim Strong Medical Officer Nunrui, Gynecology Doctor the Patient Kairui, Ban Kailokan May Kau Pian Mak May Indao na, Rims Infal Kau Medical Services Kwai Intha Kante, Kadai Suna Rims Infal Kau Outpatient Department, OPD Lankan Make, Medical Staff Nunrui OPD Ma Kau sit in protest at Kaiga Ikane, Teachers Katni Medical Officers Association Rui Lankan May protest Kautai, Senior and Junior Doctors, Nurses Katni Medical Students Nunrui, Kazao Lokane, sit in protest Kautai placards Save the Savior, we condemn violence against doctors in the workplace. Protect those who protect us. No more violence against doctors. Kani assaulting doctors is a crime to na hilaw may latpang silien kane. Rim Strong Medical Superintendent Dr. Sanjeev Rui Chamlao may kausakan may thilay na. Aside tong protest hike, gynecology doctors ta Monday nung patient kay pang Rui. Ban kay laukan may tanu ni mak may indaw na tat kay jonge do na sakane patient kay nun roi pen mak may nayat hay Rim Strong authority nun kaw alam na pari ran we tiki man say panti kan ba may doctor ta ban kay law ba may hay inchup magay do na sakane pen mak may nayat hay man say goy roi hospital kaw thang law ba may complaint boxes complaint ti law nu we do na sakane OPD office kan kaw lan kan mak may ruin now may ta razao kang guang may goy roi kung may ariw kay kan the Munich July tarik kanai UEFA Euro Cup kum singnai na treat na padai asai in cup my round of 16 balukan mekau Netherlands roi Romania ta goal kathum 0 khau ngam lau kan the kum na Turkey roi Austria ta goal kanai akhat khau ngam lau na quarter finals kut kan the Euro kum singnai na treat na padai quarter finals hai Friday July tarik pungu nung baluk ka haupni quarter finals fixture Spain versus Germany tingzen khwang sakiu makhai July tarik pungu Portugal versus France chipchung pung baro makhai July tarik chiruk England versus Switzerland tingzin khwang sakiu makhai July tarik chiruk Netherlands versus Turkey jipchung pung baro makhai July tarik chanai Tamenglong ting nai luan dui luang bu tarik kathum kum singnai na chui na padai lau thuan ting rai na ye kalan muang na ye tingzin ting rai na ye zingbang ting riu putni dui luang bu tarik padai lau thuan kalan ting rai na ye tingzin muang na ye zingbang ting riu putni di Gaanphiu mail khau Cham khatni advertisement Salauni make a goi rui 9873658872 khau alam launu we khatni subscription Salauni make goi rui 03877267509 ramge thai 8256908462 khau alam launu we mai goi na king chui na king law mi khangta Guikhanliu maling my YouTube channel be tun roi kalwai na thun ku dare in thuan khwang ru na khat kai megan roi mai goi na king in cham da lakho thun ku the